Hello Year 7. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add in the flora and fauna images that you collected in the second lesson of our remote learning program. You will remember you were asked to collect flora, meaning flowers, and fauna, meaning plants, which relate to your own heritage. My heritage happens to be Australian and British, so I've got British rose here, and then I've got lots of English wildflowers and lavender, and then I've also got some Australian native plants, lots and lots of different illustrations of native plants that I want to incorporate into my design for my final portrait. So you will see here I'm working on the piece of cartridge paper where I have already traced and transferred my portrait image. We will be coming back to that, we'll be adding some colour, but now what we want to do is we want to be adding in that flora and fauna. So my plan for this is to have on the left hand side my Australian heritage, so I've got a proteus plant here, I've got some eucalyptus which I'm starting to draw in, and I've got also an English rose up here, and I want to incorporate some of these wildflowers like the foxgloves into the right hand side of my image. So I am going to sketch that now, and you can watch the way that I'm going to incorporate those images into this drawing. Okay, so Year 7, I have sketched very, very lightly all of the different elements of the flora and fauna. So the Australian images on the left side and the more English images on the right hand side of the flora and fauna. So I've got lavender and foxgloves and roses with some leaves that you might can see which are layered into the background, and on the left hand side I've got the much more Australian looking plants. Now one of the things I want to just highlight with you are the fact that I have sketched incredibly lightly and I've been willing to make adjustments. So you will have little areas where you might need to make some adjustments, redraw some bits. That's absolutely fine. Now the plan for this piece of work is once we've added colour using watercolours with this, we will actually be using a fine liner to go back over our areas, so we can leave this line a little bit unclear